is how do you get the heating benefit from a greenhouse in a building? And so I think if you want to attach a greenhouse to a building for a heating benefit, put a sunroom on. And then don't fill the bottom of it with soil. Put a couple of small little planters with a lemon tree or something in there. Now we don't have a big humidity issue. And now you've actually got a solar heater on your building that extends the growing or the living space outside. You've got a place that you can suntan and get some vitamin D. That's a whole different thing than having a greenhouse like we've just built where the entire surface of the ground is soil. Totally different scenario.
Yeah.
And so you absolutely can build a solar heater that also doubles as a sun space. Now,
yeah, that's good to differentiate. I mean, it's the same thing with mine. My floor isn't all soil, but I have a lot of raised beds in there. And so I'm going to be holding a lot of that humidity, much in the same as you would with yours.
Yep. And then one last thing, to address the pest thing, one way to manage that is to allow your greenhouse to go below zero. So open it up in the wintertime so you can freeze the crap out of it, which wouldn't work with your figs and your lemons necessarily. But then the other thing is to make sure that the greenhouse itself has a slightly negative pressure relative to the home if you were going to connect the two. So let's say you have a sunroom with lemons and figs and you don't want the pests to go into your house. You just need to make sure that the air pressure in your house is slightly higher than the air pressure in your greenhouse, which is pretty easy to do with a small little extraction fan on your greenhouse. There's ways to manage it basically.